In today's video, we will clean our C drive that is almost full and will delete unwanted storage step by step in our Windows 11. And please note that we will do all this process without losing any data. So here, if you see on my computer screen, my C drive is almost full. So we will go step by step in cleaning this C drive as much as we can. Before proceeding with anything else, the first important step here we want to take is to create a restore point for our system or laptop. So if you lose any files, folder, you will be able to restore your system quickly and easily. To do that, go to your start menu, type sysdm.cpl and press enter. You will be getting this dialog box here. We want to go to system protection. In system protection, create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. Go ahead and create restore point. Let's say I want to name it restore Windows 11. Click on create and now this is creating restore point from a PC. So the restore point was created successfully. Perfect. Now let's start the process with Cleanmgr. And here you could go ahead and open this cleanup. The dialog box is showing us the C drive is already selected and click OK. And here you go. We got all the details for this cleanup here. Here you will find few folders which you could go ahead and clean up. Be careful while selecting all of them because there will be recycle bin or the temporary file. Once selected, just go ahead and click on clean up system file. Now this will take few moments to clean up the file we just have selected for deletion. Now in the next quick step, go to your C drive, then Windows folder, and we want to go to here Software Distribution folder. Select all of the files from Software Distribution folder and delete them because these are the old Windows update file. We don't need them anymore. Now in the next quick step, go to your search bar, type run, open up the run, and here we want to go to temp file and press OK. We want to continue, and here go ahead and press Ctrl A. You have selected all, and then we want to delete everything from here. Then again, open up the run dialog box. We want to type temp with the percentage sign and click OK. Again, go ahead, select all, and delete them. If you got this dialog box that is not deleting all of the files and remaining few of them, that's fine. We could skip few of the files and delete the remaining files. The next quick command we want to run in the run dialog box is prefetch and then press enter. Again, continue for the permission and here again select all of the files and delete them. That's fine. If some of the system files are not getting deleted, you could leave them as it is. Now in the next step, we want to go to Windows setting and we want to use the Windows storage feature. Then go to system and here you will find the storage option. Just make sure storage sense for your PC is turned on. So here just wait for temporary file or all other files that are being calculated. Now here you will find all of the temporary file in recycle bin, temporary internet file, downloads, thumbnail, DirectX shader cache, and delivery optimization file. So if you are sure you don't need these files and you want to remove them all, just go ahead and click on remove file. Perfect. Now if we go back and you will see how much storage your apps are consuming and which of the apps needs to be removed or delete. Basically, you have to give it some time to explore and search all these apps and storage of the apps. So again, go to run dialog box, appwiz period cpl and press OK. Now here, just go ahead and install unwanted app quickly. Now at the end, the last quick thing I want to mention you, just go to all of the folder including download, desktop, documents, picture or video and delete the file or video you don't need. For example, you could see here, I have a lot of files and folder in my documents folder. So I could go ahead and delete the one I don't need. So this will take you some time to go through all of these folders, delete files and folders manually that you don't need. Now let's go to this PC, and here you could see that I have cleaned up my C drive and I got 42 gigabytes of free storage. Perfect. So that's it about today's quick video on how to clean up C drive in Windows 11 with the latest method. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK, and I will see you in the next one.